Hello YouTube, welcome to our video. We are How to Hosting Guide, and this is our one of the latest hosting deals videos. This video will cover if a web hosting company provides a good deal and if this deal is actually worth it and what actually do you end up paying. So let's begin. Okay guys, today on the menu is Hostinger. As you can see here, they offer the biggest ever Black Friday sale, including free domain, free migration if you have another hosting provider, and 24/7 customer support. So, it all sounds great, and you get up to 79% off, but as it says here, $249 a month, we have to check if this is really so. So let's see. We see here that the $249 is for the premium plan, which is something like a startup plan, and when you renew the plan, the cost becomes $799 a month. So you have to be mindful of that. And the good thing is that they give you 3 months for free, which is awesome, especially if you're on a budget. Okay. Also, that $249 is only if you pay in advance for 2 years. So you pay them for 2 years, you get 3 months free, which is extra discount, and you get $249 a month. What does this plan include though? As we can see, it includes all the standard stuff. You get a lot of storage as well. You get WooCommerce, which is good. And you also get CDN, dedicated IP address. You don't get those stuff. You don't get priority support. You don't get on-demand backup, object cache, WordPress staging tool, Amazon affiliate WordPress plugin. And you don't get their AI website creation tools, which I have tried by the way, and they look kind of good. They can do a lot of work that you'd otherwise manually have to do, so they are kind of a grab go. Also, if we go down here, let's see, yeah, you get 40 PHP workers and of course the unlimited bandwidth, which is a good thing. Yeah, but the plan, let's choose this one. Yeah, the plan is this price only if you pay the whole price for 48 months. And after those 48 months, you can renew the plan and the price is much higher. So you need to be mindful of those 48 months when you go for hosting your web hosting. Overall, they're a good company. They're one of the best out there. They offer absolutely fast speeds and they have global servers. So wherever you're located, this is a good choice. As you can see here, if I go over to 12 months, the price becomes immediately more expensive. You get 75% discount still, but the best deal, the best offer that you will get is probably the 24 months one. I would personally go for the business plan, which is $349, because it gives you a lot more features plus a free CDN, which optimizes your website speed and will put your website higher in terms of SEO rankings on the search engines. And this is it for hosting here, guys. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, today on the menu is HostArmada's latest deals. They offer, as any other globally developed web hosting company, a very good deal, especially on the shared and WordPress hosting. This is 75% off of their price, which is very good. This is close as possible to Hostinger. They offer 70 something percent off as well. I think 75 or 79, I'm not sure. The reseller hosting and virtual servers and dedicated CPU are also off here, which is a very good thing. And let's see what the shared and WordPress hosting will cost you with their plans. Wow, we have here $249 a month for NGINX powered servers, which is a startup plan, to remind you. And these $249 a month are discounted from $995 a month, which is a bit of high, but the regular price. But the discount is very, very good. This is better than Ultahost and Hostinger. This price is very good for a month. Let's see what does it include, and is it actually a good deal, and do you actually pay $249 a month? What does it include? First of all, it doesn't have dynamic caching and pre-ripper features, but it does have some cute little extras like malware scan and malware removal, and it also has the most important thing for any website, which is a free SSL certificate that is included. We can see here that they have heavily accented on security, which is good. They offer 7 daily backups. This is very good. This is a good deal. Let's see how much do you exactly pay. Let's register some domain here. First year is free for the domain. Wow, this is kind of cool. Okay, I didn't expect that one. The other hosting companies do not have that one, guys. This is very good deal. Okay, let's see here. The bad thing here is that if you want to get the best price, which is $249, which is probably what I've seen so far the best price ever, you have to pay for 36 months. You have to pay for 3 years. That's the only bad thing, but you also get a free domain, which is a plus. So I would still buy that. Biannually, with this plan you also get a very, very good value. Mind you, Hostinger, which are one of the best companies, they offer for their 2 years plan $280 a month. And yeah, these plans are pretty good, and the features they have are very, very nice. With the only difference is that Hostinger offers WooCommerce installed in their basic plan. But yeah, so they're, as you can see here, a global company. So if you're located in those continents, these are the locations where you can get a server. So if you're if you want a data center in Frankfurt, for example, you just choose this one. They have made it very easy to go through the purchase process. And let's keep. Okay, you have an accessible integration which requires an additional purchase, but they have added it for free for some reason. Okay, that's weird. I don't like those add-ons, but whatever. Let's see, what do we have here? Privacy protection. Oh, they want to charge us extra for privacy protection. That's $465. I don't quite agree with that thing. Okay, so the total is whoa. Oh yeah, it makes sense because it's for 3 years, and when you get the discount it makes even more sense. Hello guys, today on the menu is Ultahost. We're gonna check the latest deals when it comes to Ultahost and what exactly do you get, and is it really a good deal? Okay, so we see here that their web hosting plans are all discounted, and it's probably because we are in November and Black Friday is up and everybody is offering huge discounts. So let us see the shared starter plan, which saves you 40% for a 24-month term, kind of like another big company, Hostinger. What does it include though? You get 30 gigabytes of NVMe, you get 1 domain, you get 10,000 visits, which is good, free backups, free transfer of the domain, and free SSL certificate, which is awesome. You get 30 days money back. The NVMe SSD is a big plus. And yeah, that's basically the starter plan. For the price, I would say it's a bit high, but it's not that high, so it's in the competitive terms. So if you like Ultahost and you're keen on their services, yeah, I would definitely recommend going for it. Because let's see what we get with this plan exactly. If we order the shared starter, let's see, we'll be taken to a page. Let's domain register whatever. Okay, edit. Let's continue. Okay, so we got to the pricing. And The pricing is, you end up paying 71 bucks per year if you sign up for this plan, which is a total save of $48 per year. Oh, this is for 2 years. I'm sorry. This is for 2 years. You end up paying about $72, which is actually, this is a better plan than Hostinger, because in Hostinger you pay about 100 bucks, but you do get a lot of features with that thing. So yeah, that's a good discount for a Linux shared hosting. However, if you want to get WordPress installation, I do believe, let's see here, yeah, I do believe the price is overall the same as the best in business, like Hostinger and other web hosting companies. And with that you get 2 databases, you get the manager, you get the NVMe, basically shared hosting, the same deal as the Linux shared hosting with WordPress included and email account. Yeah, overall and all, this is a pretty good deal. Let's see how much do we get with this one. Let's see the domain, check it. Let's add it to the cart, continue. Okay, so this is a good price. This is a very good price in terms of how much do you pay. If you opt in for 2 years, the stuff that you get with this thing for Ultahost is very good. This is a very competitive price. So would I recommend it? I would personally go for it. Ultahost is a good company and the services are great, and yeah, they have servers all over the world, as in Africa, you see here in the US, in Europe, in the Emirates, even in Asia. So yeah, they're a good company and that is a good deal. So you won't be making a mistake going for this one, guys. That's it for reviewing Ultahost's latest deals, and thank you for watching. Hello YouTube, and welcome to one of our latest deals videos where we'll be discussing which web hosting providers have the latest deals and what exactly do you get with this deal and how much do you actually pay. Is it really worth it? Today on the menu is SiteGround. We're gonna see the latest deals that SiteGround offer, and as you can see here, for a managed WordPress hosting, which is kind of like standard WordPress hosting but with expert support every time you need something when you have issues with your website or another project. Also, it has good security and it's $2.99 a month. This price is maybe a bit to the higher side, but they do say that it's for managed WordPress hosting, which kind of makes it understandable. So let's see what exactly will we get with that price. Let us begin with the starter plan. The starter plan should be discounted from $15.99, but what do you actually get? Okay, this is for one website, 10,000 visits monthly, unmetered traffic, which is a good extra. You get the free SSL, which is a very important extra for this type of service. Some hosting providers do charge a lot of money for SSL and you have it for free here. It's quite a good deal. You also get a free CDN, daily backups, which is very, very good for security, and very fast servers as well, because SiteGround is a service that is known with its fast servers and good reputation. Oh, one interesting thing that you also get is the WooCommerce, which is very, very easy to set up online shop or store, whatever you want to sell. You get auto updates of WordPress. You get speed optimizers, which is important for SEO. If your website runs fast, then it will have higher Google rankings, for example. So we have $2.99 a month, but what exactly do you pay with that? Let us make up some domain here. For 1 year free, oh, that's nice. That's very, very good. You get 1 year free for the domain. That means we don't pay nothing for this domain for a year, as long as it's free. This is good. This is very good. Okay. So the startup plan for $299 a month with $15.99 a month old price is actually 81% off. That's for managed WordPress hosting. Just let me repeat that: managed WordPress hosting. For hosting gear, a standard WordPress hosting is a bit more expensive than that. It's about $56 or something like that. This is managed, and you get this only for 35 euros for 12 months. This is a very, very good deal. You also get the domain, which comes free. It's pretty standard, and altogether with the taxes, that's 43 euros. That's a bit cheaper than hosting gear, and it includes everything that you need to set up a WordPress website, and it also includes a live support because it's managed WordPress. So if you're not good at tech stuff, now if you're not a programmer, the support can help you set up your website, and it's included in this price. So overall, would I get this deal? Definitely, I would go for that deal. That's a good deal. I recommend it. It's very competitive. It's a great deal if you're looking to start your website right now, and the setup is quite easy because you also get the support. Thank you for watching us, guys. If you have any comments about SiteGround service or their prices and overall how much did you pay, I would like to know in the comments. So just write to us and we'll try to respond as soon as we can. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video useful.
Thanks for watching us, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and this way you support our channel to grow.